Hello everyone, my name is Kimberly Cooper and the portion of the PowerPoint that I will be discussing is pertaining to the article summary. The article that I chose is titled Girls with Anorexia Nervosa as Young Adults, Personality, Self-Esteem, and Life Satisfaction. Is an article that seeks to explore the correlation of personality, self-esteem, and life satisfaction pertaining to childhood and adolescent onset of anorexia nervosa. The article discusses the role of personality and whether it was a factor that determined the onset of anorexia nervosa. In addition, whether if self-esteem played a role as to how the body image was viewed by girls, and lastly, how girls who suffer from anorexia nervosa view their life for satisfaction of life pertaining to their outlook and experiences. Within the article, it discusses the aspects of mental health and stress that may have occurred in the life of girls which could have perpetuated the onset of anorexia nervosa. Within the article, the authors focused on three aspects, which was personality, self-esteem, and life satisfaction. These are three aspects that are usually accompanied with a stigma when it comes to anorexia nervosa, which was something that was shared within the article. For the research, 44 female participants with anorexia nervosa was assessed, in which they had to have had been in treatment after 4 years. Clinical interview was used for the research along with a questionnaire that was given to the 44 female participants. Something that I would like to share, actually a few things that I would like to share when reading the article, was the association with certain personality factors such as neuroticism, obsessiveness, perfectionism, and negative self-esteem. In addition, there were factors such as perfectionism, high levels of achievement, compliance, and restraint of negative emotions seem to be common in children and adolescents who develop this disorder. In addition, I found it to be very interesting when reading the article that 14 of the participants had suffered from sexual abuse, in which the authors mentioned that the sexual abuse was something that could have perpetuated the onset of anorexia nervosa. Lastly, that 48% of the participants shared that they were satisfied with life in general and that they had a positive outlook on life prior to the onset of anorexia nervosa. I'm going to get ready to move on to the National Web Resources. The National Web Resources that I was able to locate were from the mentalhealth.gov, cdc.gov, the National Institute of Mental Health, and also from nutrition.gov. When viewing all of these national web resources, I found that they included a lot of knowledge when it came to history, description, effects, and also treatment of anorexia nervosa. Next, I'm going to move on to a picture. I wanted to share this picture. This is a picture that was included within the PowerPoint, a picture that I found to be very powerful, and it's a picture that pretty much explains how a person feels that have anorexia nervosa. I thank everyone for viewing the PowerPoint, and I hope that it was very informative. Next, I will be showing a slide that consists of the references that was used within the PowerPoint. Again, thank you for viewing.